Hello, you young whippersnappers. My name is Ron from Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. Today I want to talk about your Onkyo receiver and Bluetooth. If you're trying to pair up a phone or another device, tablet, whatever, to your receiver using Bluetooth and it doesn't connect, you can't get it to connect, I'll show you a tip that was given to me by somebody who has many years in the industry selling this type of receiver. So on your remote control, it says Bluetooth. Press and hold Bluetooth for 10 seconds. If you don't have a remote, do it on your receiver. After 10 seconds, release it. Get your phone back. Try pairing up again, scanning for a new device. And it should be in there now. You shouldn't have any problems with your device connecting with Bluetooth. It worked for me, and it should work for you too. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons. And a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.